po, reply natin kay
January 16, 2023.
Mitch J.
Process
Tinatanong niya kung
natin
goods daw ba
yung
sa gaming to.
information muna ng this.
So yan, SSD plus game.
So yan yung quality.
Ito po yung Valorant yan.
So for players, good pa rin ang condition
Post mo
niya.
yan.
And
Tapos may
from this SSD.
So yan yung Valorant. Smooth naman siya gumalaw.
Somebody's counting.
Okay naman.
Still in sight. That's spike, Wings. Enemy spotted B.
Ayan. Okay ba? Ano?
Spike's digging. Thanks, little man.